Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to make chili mac. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need about 1 pound of ground beef, 8 ounces of elbow macaroni, and a large can of crushed tomatoes. Don't forget your seasonings like chili powder and cumin, plus a diced onion. We'll also use some beef broth, a can of kidney beans, and plenty of shredded cheddar cheese for that perfect finish. Now, let's build that delicious chili base. Start by browning your ground beef in a large pot over medium heat until it's no longer pink. Once cooked, drain any excess fat to keep it lean. Then, add your diced onion to the pot, cooking until it becomes translucent and fragrant. Stir in your chili powder, cumin, and any other desired spices, letting them toast for about 1 minute to release their aromas. With our spices fragrant, it's time to add the liquids and beans. Pour in the crushed tomatoes, beef broth, and the drained kidney beans. Stir everything together well, bringing the mixture to a gentle simmer. Once simmering, add your 8 ounces of elbow macaroni directly into the pot. Continue to cook, stirring occasionally, until the pasta is tender and has absorbed much of the flavorful sauce, usually about 10 to 12 minutes. Almost there. Once your macaroni is perfectly tender, remove the pot from the heat. Now, stir in a generous amount of shredded cheddar cheese until it's completely melted and creates a wonderfully creamy texture throughout the chili mac. Serve your hot chili mac immediately, perhaps garnished with a little extra cheese or some fresh green onions. It's a comforting meal everyone will love. Check the description for the Echo Dot link and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.